Hi, this is Debora Stewart, and I use flowers as my inspiration for a lot of my work. I do a lot of floral pastels, but I also do some acrylic paintings that are inspired by flowers and a lot of oil paintings where I use oil sticks. So recently I have designed a course for Teachable on how to create expressive floral bouquets using oil sticks as the medium. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about this course and what is in it, because my new Teachable course will help you take some bouquets, some garden imagery, and create expressive paintings with oil sticks on canvas or paper. And I think you'll really enjoy the process. Some of the things that I do in the course, I'll outline some of them for you and show you some examples, is I talk about contour drawing and how important that is to me. It really is a foundational skill. And then I talk about notans and show you how to use notans, which are images like this, that I've taken a bouquet and I've taken a photo with my phone, and I've used an app called Notanizer, and I've changed it to black and white. I can work from this now. It has simplified it, it has abstracted it, and that is one of the things that I'm showing in this course with Teachable. And I'm also showing things about underpainting and how you can use underpainting to add abstract techniques and color choices to your work, something that I use with my pastels as well as my paintings. Talking about color, about mark making, how to use oil sticks, the kinds of different oil sticks that there are, the different tools that you can use with oil sticks, and then how to prepare your canvas, whether you want to work on a white canvas where you use underpainting, whether you want to tone your canvas like I have here with this work behind me, and the different ways that you can go about getting ready to do your painting. And so it's a lot of fun. It's challenging because it may be a new medium to you, or it may be a medium that you have already used, but maybe you've not used it in this way. So I encourage you to take a look at my new course on Teachable, which is offered now at a discount rate of $75. Later, it'll be raised to $150, but right now, while I'm developing it and adding new material, I'm offering it at a discount. So I'll post the link in the description below, and you can check out to see the different topics that I cover, the different demonstrations that I provide, and the additional materials that are available in the course. And this special price of $75 goes until the end of September, which my plan is to be finished with the course by then, and I'm sure that I will. And thank you, and be sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for following me.